They're the unsung heroes of Japan's highways. Meet the vehicles that keep our roads super clean. We use the highways all the time. But did you know there are special vehicles working hard to make sure our drive is safe and smooth? This time, we're putting the spotlight on the vehicles that clean our highways. From brand new road sweepers to the water trucks you might have seen, we'll show you all the cool things about these special machines you rarely get to see. If you love vehicles, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hello, I'm Popo. It's great to meet you. On today's Norimono Wonder, we're going to check out the vehicles that clean the highways. Whoa, all the cars are going so fast. Highways are so cool.
That's right, Popo. Since cars go so fast on the highway, there are special vehicles that clean the roads to make sure everyone can drive safely.
So, what kind of vehicles are there?
The first one I'll show you is this, the road sweeper. This is the road sweeper. It's 11 meters long and weighs about 22 tons. That's about as heavy as a whale shark. This road sweeper uses these two big brushes underneath to clean up all the dirt, sand, and trash on the road.
Oh, the brushes are spinning and popping out to the side.
That part works just like a vacuum cleaner, sucking up all the dirt and garbage.
So it gathers up the dirt with the brushes and then sucks it up like a vacuum. Wow! It has so many different parts.
On highways where cars are moving really fast, even a little bit of gravel or trash can be super dangerous. So this road sweeper has a really important job.
Let's ride together. Guitar and sax we sing. Norimono Wonder. Norimono Wonder. Joy forever we bring. Oh.
Thanks to the road sweeper, the roads are always nice and clean.
Next up is the water sprinkler truck. The water sprinkler truck is about 11 meters long and weighs about 22 tons. This one's also about as heavy as a whale shark. The water sprinkler truck keeps dust and sand from flying around, and it also cleans the walls inside tunnels. And in the winter, it does all sorts of things, like spraying salt water to keep the roads from freezing over.
Wow, awesome! Now it's spraying water from everywhere. Do you think it's broken?
It's okay, Popo.
With all that water coming out, I wonder how much is inside the tank.
The tank on the water sprinkler truck can hold an amazing 8,000 litres. That's the same as 4,000 big soda bottles.
8,000 liters. That's a huge amount.
And that's not all. Besides cleaning roads, the water sprinkler truck can also be used as a water source during fires, or even as a water supply truck during disasters.
Wow, the water sprinkler truck really helps out in a lot of different places.
Popo, this last one is also a road sweeper.
That's a funny-looking road sweeper.
This road sweeper is 7 meters long and weighs about 6 tons. That's about the same weight as an elephant.
Bicycles and boats, smiling faces surely float. Airplanes high and low, buses in a row. From mountain
Time for a quiz. Keep your eye on the lever.
every ride is pure glee. Norimono
When the worker pushes the lever, what happens to the trash? A. Blow away. B. Suck up. C. Shrink. Everyone, you've got 10 seconds to think about it.
This is a tough one. What could it be? Maybe A, it blows the trash away? I wonder what it is.
Did you get it? The correct answer was B. It sucks up the trash.
It's kind of like a vacuum cleaner.
bicycles and boats, smiling faces surely float. Airplanes high and low.
You often find things like empty plastic bottles and rubber straps on the highway, and this vehicle is perfect for picking up all that small stuff. So, Popo, did you learn a lot about the vehicles that clean the highways?
It's because all these different vehicles are working hard on the highway that we can all drive safely. Thank you for everything. Keep up the amazing work.
Today's Norimono Wonder was all about the vehicles that clean the highways.
Well then, see you next time. Bye-bye.